Hello everyone, this is Ezra Warkanamako. I'm going to introduce you to a product known as PRCash Loophole. This is a video course that teaches you how to make money online with affiliate marketing. The app will help you particularly in 4 areas. The first one of which is helping you to set a system that will allow you to succeed in affiliate marketing, obviously. Secondly, it will help you to create content, as it is the right system. It will help you to market products properly, and it will help you to grow your business. Now, just to look at the sales page for more information. As you could see on your screen, it says Affiliate Marketing Secrets Revealed. See how a complete newbie went from 0 to multiple $5,874.77 plus paydays in affiliate commissions month after month using a PRCash secret loophole system. The only proven system for daily results in any niche. Okay, I'm going to turn you to the sales page, which gives us precise information about the product. Some of which has already been covered in my introduction. You can expect to see results very quickly with this product within a few days, if not hours, of getting started. The more you incorporate this into your daily routine, the better the results you'll get. You'll have immediate access to the course's members training area, as well as download links for the remaining bonuses. There will be no waiting. You can begin right away. You have a full 30 days to decide if this is right for you. If you're not completely satisfied for any reason or for no reason at all, simply send me an email, says the vendor, and I'll refund every penny of your small investment. If you're serious about affiliate marketing and you finally want to discover how to make passive income, then the PRCash Loophole system is for you. If you are looking for a business to build that will provide you with the freedom that you deserve, then I suggest that you take the PRCash Loophole training course. Now, looking at the prices and upsells, there isn't much in this case. There's a front-end product, PRCash Loophole, which is $10, sorry, and an upsell known as getting traffic from Google, which is $14.99. The main points that we need to bear in mind about this particular product is that there's a step-by-step video guide. It will give you 100%. It is 100% newbie friendly, instant exposure to millions of audiences, instant traffic to your website and offers, get featured on over 200 high authority sites, establish yourself as an authority, and as already said, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, if you buy this product, then I'm going to give you some bonuses. The first one of which is what is known as the 5 top email marketing tips. It's a tutorial worth $427.95. The next one, bonus number 2, is teaches you how to make money through PRCash Loophole by applying 0 to $100 in 24/5 24 hours methods. The third bonus I'm going to give you is High Ticket Hero, which is worth $344.95, and it will help you to increase your income through PRCash Loophole by using it. The next bonus that I'm going to give you, by the way, this particular bonus is worth $344.95, and the fourth bonus that I'm going to give you upon purchasing the product teaches you how to target top products through PRCash Loophole by using hot selling e-com items, and this is worth $267. The last bonus, which is the fifth one, is going to be given to you by the vendor himself, and the details of which can be found by clicking on this blue button on your screen, and you'll have direct access to all of the bonuses. I'm going to take you back to the sales page where we started our exploration about this product. What you see on your screen is a demo video which gives you proof that the application works. I'm going to play it now.
So this is a video to show you live proof that this PRCash Loophole system is actually very effective when it comes to affiliate marketing in 2022. With PRCash Loophole system, I was able to rank my content instantly on Google and generated tons of traffic to my affiliate website, and in turn made commissions with clickbank marketing. So as you can see, these are my results from a single press release that I published in 2021, July 7th, and since then my content has been ranking on Google page 1, just with a single press release that I sent out. And as soon as I sent out that press release, my content was picked up and indexed by Google, and also over 200 premium websites picked up my content. So if you're looking to make commissions with affiliate marketing in 2022, you need to find a way to get your content seen by millions of people. Because 98% of buyers online read product reviews on Google before making a purchase. And this is where you come in. So once you publish your content, it will get indexed by Google, and also over 200 premium sites will pick up your content, thereby giving you a boost in search engine optimization, and also increase backlinks and credibility online, and also increase traffic to your website. So here if we click on the first page here where it says Google Index Pages, so as you can see here, this is my content with the title Must One Submit Drawings, and it has been ranking on Google. There are about 367 searches for this term, and I am ranking number 1 on Google for this search term. And as you can see, the first website that is ranking with my content is called AB Newswire. Now, AB Newswire is a news website, okay, that publishes news content. So if we open this in the new tab, okay, as you can see, this is my content on AB Newswire website. Okay? It has been ranking there since July 7th, 2021, and I've generated huge traffic from this single post. Right? So if you go back to my results again, we have other sites like MarketWatch, Benzinga, Fox 40, Fox 34, Fox 28, and so much more. If you scroll down, you will see so many other sites like Digital Journal, Azentral, Daily Herald, Morning News, Daily Presscom, and so much more. Alright? These are just a few of the sites that have picked up my content, and I'm able to rank on Google with this method. Okay? So this is the best method that you can use to generate passive income online with affiliate marketing in 2021. You do not need to run any Google paid ads. You do not need to run any Facebook ads. You don't even need to buy solo ads. Once you set up your system and then you publish your content, immediately it will get picked up and to rank on Google. Alright? So the product I was promoting on ClickBank is called Master One Sunday Drawings. And if we look at the Google keywords search for this, and as you can see here, Master One's drawing has 10,000 to 100,000 monthly searches with low competition. Okay? And Master One's drawings review has 1,000 to 10,000 searches on Google with low competition. Now imagine 100,000 people viewing your content every day on Google. Alright? Can you imagine how much traffic and revenue you're going to make from affiliate marketing? This is the best solution for you if you want to make money with affiliate marketing. Alright? And this is what I'm going to teach you inside the members area of the PRCash Systems Loophole. If you're ready to generate passive income and lead the life you've always wanted, then this is the best solution for you. This is no BS, and instantly you're going to see results within a few hours of publishing your content. So you may ask, how do I get my content featured on these top premium websites so that I can generate tons of traffic to my website? Well, the process is very simple. First of all, you need to pick the right products on ClickBank or any affiliate network that you're promoting. And in the PRCash Loophole training, I will show you how to do that. Secondly, you need to choose keywords that have low competition, and they must be keywords that are solving people's problems. Keywords that people are actually searching for on Google. And in the PRCash Loophole system, I am going to walk you through step by step on how to do that. And thirdly, you need the right channel for content distribution. And inside this course, I'm going to show you the exact strategy, the exact channel that I use to have my content rank on page 1 of Google instantly. Alright? So I just want to make this quick video to show you that I have been using the PRCash Loophole system and it has worked for me. So if you're serious about making money online 2022 with affiliate marketing, what are you waiting for? Hit the buy button below and I'll see you on the inside.
Okay. I believe you have gained a bit more information about the product. He has been successful with this product, so I can't see any reason, or there's no reason why you can't be successful. So it's a good idea to consider buying it. Okay, next. Okay, we'll scroll down the sales page and see what important information there is. I'm not going to cover the whole area. I'll leave it that for you to have a look at in your own time. This are a list of bonuses that the vendor is going to give you when you buy this the product. Bonus number 1 is done for you website. Don't know how to build affiliate websites, it says, no worries. Grab this professionally done for you SEO optimized website, import into WordPress and start publishing your contents. This is worth $500. Bonus number 2 is Engage Plus software. Powerful new software creates engaging polls and surveys you can insert into any page or post of your WordPress site. And it includes the complete reseller kit plus turnkey sales site. And it's worth $2,364 per year. The third bonus you're going to be given by the vendor when you buy this product is a Swift page, a WP plugin. Powerful new software keeps visitors on your pages longer by increasing the speed and load time of your WordPress site. And this is worth $2,364. And bonus number 4, he's giving you a lot of bonuses, more than I had expected. Bonus number 4 is Easy Launcher WP plugin. Powerful new software launches your sites to easy way by installing and customizing WordPress for you in just a few clicks. And this is worth $697. Bonus number 5, Ebook Maker software. Powerful new software creates top quality ebooks quickly and easily right from your WordPress dashboard. Includes the complete reseller kit plus 10 key sales site as the ones above. And this is worth $397. And there's a 6th bonus, Page Takeover WP plugin. Powerful new software hijacks your visitors' attention and puts your ad right in front of any page of your WordPress site. Again, it includes the complete reseller kit plus turnkey sales site worth $2,364 per year. Okay, to recap, here are the things that you're going to get when you buy this product. PRCash Loophole training course, which is $12. Bonus number 1, done for you website, $500. Bonus number 2, Engage Plus software, $2,364. Bonus number 3, Swift Page WP plugin, $2,364. Bonus number 4, Easy Launcher WP plugin, $697. Bonus number 5, Ebook Maker software, $397. Bonus number 6, Page Takeover WP plugin, $2,364. Total value, what you get today, is $8,698. So, and in order to get instant access, you press this button. And as I've said earlier, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with the product for one reason or another. Okay, just to recap, to reiterate a few points. One needs to remember that there's a step-by-step video guide, 100% newbie friendly. It is instant exposure to millions of audiences, instant traffic to your website and offers, get featured on over 200 high authority sites, establish yourself as an authority, and there's a 30-day money back guarantee. So this is basically it. Like I've said, there are some areas that you probably need to look at. As I've said, I'll leave you to have a look at it at your leisure. Hopefully what I showed you will help you to make up your mind. If you have any questions or any comments to make, please leave them in the description, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I would appreciate if you could like and subscribe my channel, for which I'll be grateful in advance. Thank you very much, and have a good day.